stage Alpesh Patel OBE from Pythinian Partners Limited, I believe.
There's a guy behind me who said if it's not Theo giving it, I don't want it, so it's going to be embarrassing if he
That was me! And we didn't win, so never mind.
Well, I arranged that. The judges in this category were looking for a standout online business that provides great products, outstanding customer service, and solid financial results in the retail space. And the winner is All Pro.
Okay, All Pro there for e-commerce business award.